Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a box of Goth unboxing. This is a surprise box of Goth because they sent it to me for my birthday. So thanks so much, box of Goth. I have no idea what the theme is, but let's open it and see what's inside. So lots of purple floof. Oh, okay. So the first things in here are detail sleeve cuffs. And we'll do that next bit after. Oh, they're cute. So I've got a little bit of string attached. I'm assuming that's just to keep them together as a pair, maybe. And then is it like that way? I think it's this way. I'm not really sure. Oh, they're really sweet. I don't know what I could wear these with, but let's just try it the other way as well. I don't think it's that way though, because they don't. I suppose actually you could have them either way, so short or long. Oh, they're sweet. I'm assuming this is the Lolita. I can never say it right. Box. It's a gothic box. So the next thing is, oh, awesome. So I've already got a pair of these that came with my Iron Fist. Is it Iron Fist? Iron Fist bat boots. But this is a pair of detachable wings. So I can now have two pairs. Oh, awesome. Oh, could even turn them into a headband if I wanted to. Oh. So, woo! The next thing is I see a little velvet purse. Now, I have a giant purse for all my change and receipts and whatnot. But if you're going out and you just need a bit of change, this is perfect. It feels really nice, to be honest. And the next thing is I see a bow. Oh, so get that out of the packet. Now, I don't really wear, but oh wait, no, it's not. I thought it was a hair bow, but it's not. It is a, I don't even know how you open this. Oh, it's got one of those weird twisty clasps. And you'd have it like here. Now that is really cute. I'm not sure if I'd wear it, but it's cute. So that's a bonus. Oh, look there. Now, and there's another bow. Like, clip it in my hair. Does it look okay? So there is a, oh my God, I've needed one of these. Thank you so much. I've needed one of these. So this is a phone grip where you have like, you can put your finger in the ring and you don't drop your phone. And it's got a cross on it. But I'm going to turn that round and I'm going to put it on there like that. Awesome. Sweet. So we've got a little badge with one of those girls on the front. Lolita. Latoya? No, I'm not even going to try. And we've also got a little print. Oh, can't hold anything today. That's really cute. So anime, isn't it? Manga, anime. Right, there's 2 more things inside I can see, and the list. So we'll do the baggie first. So a little baggie gift, and it looks like a necklace. Oh, I was obsessed with these when I was younger, and I've never actually owned one. That would help if it was facing the right way. Right, let's try that again. I can't remember what they're called, but it's cute. Everything is just cute in Box of Goth. I think the only one that I've missed so far is the Horror Kings, so I'm not doing bad. And the last thing is wrapped up, and it is a giant paper clip. So it's a giant paper clip, and it's got a little skeleton hanging off of it, and a little gem, and a Antichrist cross. I don't think there was a pin badge in this one this month, so let me just double check. So the coin purse, the hair bow, the batwing cuffs, safety pin brooch, sleeve cuffs, mobile phone grip, necklace. That's it, a skeleton cameo necklace. The print, the bow tie for clothing, and the theme pin badge. There wasn't. So, I can't add one to my display, but it doesn't matter. So, yeah, that was it. And that is like the best birthday present I've had in a while. It's perfect, a box of goodness. So thank you so much for sending me that Box of Goth. I really, really appreciate it. So please check Box of Goth out if you haven't already. Look at my playlist. There's loads of me unboxing Box of Goth. They do some really good stuff. So check them out. And I will see you very soon. So make sure you hit that subscribe and like button and stay spooky.